guess this is welcome to the vlog. So normally you guys know me from highlights like this, or like this. But if you really know me, a lot of you guys know like I got a real love for cars. That's kind of my thing. So today I'm out here with my boy Brandon Malloy, and we have a real treat for you. Dream car stuff. I'm telling you, this is literally like my dream car we're about to go pull up on. So let me show you. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is a 2019 Lamborghini Huracan with the full Warsteiner kit on it in full carbon. This is by far the most beautiful car I've ever seen in my life. It's not even close. Like, are we gonna be honest? It's not even close, man. So this Lambo's getting a full ceramic coat. I believe Malloy's using some products he's not quite familiar with, so it might take us a little longer than normal. But we're about to get this paint looking 100. Really can ceramic coat on top of paint protection is what you're telling me.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm telling you. Each of them will have their own benefits, but yes, you can put ceramic coating over top of paint protection. If you put ceramic coating over top of paint protection, it won't last as long because it doesn't bond to the paint in the same way. But you still can put it over that for it to have the high gloss finish, provided the paint protection that you use doesn't have the high gloss finish that you wanted.
See, these are the things people want to know. So I don't know these things. I play with my car more than you play with your car, and I don't know these things. So.
I don't have time to play with my car.
Yeah. You don't have time to play with your car. You don't sleep, bro.
Too busy playing with other people's cars.
Yeah. I'm just like, these body lines are crazy, bro.
You have a good time.
Yeah, look how low this thing is. I literally can't see light out of the front end of the car through the camera. It's that low to the ground. And then let's talk about these wheels. These are 325s. What? 325s, bro. Those are so wide. All-wheel drive? Yeah, it sticks. It puts power down. Every single horse touches the earth. This thing's crazy. It has 345s in the front. 345s in the front. 325s in the back. Tired, bro?
No.
It's hot in here.
I got 6 jobs, bro. I will get to that. I'm not Kevin Gates.
Alright, Kevin Gates. Let's just talk about this. I see 1, 2, 3 Brandons. This is, come on, your paint's not this clear. You sitting behind your keyboard at home right now. You, yeah, I'm talking to you. So I bumped up the ISO on you guys so you knew I wasn't playing games, okay? Your paint's not this clear at home. This is black paint. You think I'm not looking at the paint? Bruh. Like this ain't even a shameless plug right here. Full plug right here. Go ahead, turn around. Royalty Film Services for your ceramic coat, film, and tint needs. Okay, like let's not act like this isn't immaculate. Come on now. This ain't you took your car to your cousin to get it cleaned. Like that's not what this is. This ceramic coat is different.
It's the same.
100%. 100%. If you have a newer car and you don't come get ceramic coat or paint protection or something, you're an idiot. Like, it makes absolutely no sense. This man drives this car at 180 miles an hour, and you tell me if you can see a paint chip through this camera, because I'm telling you that you can't. There's no way. It literally just doesn't make sense if you're not protecting your stuff. How are you gonna spend $200,000 on a car and not protect the paint? Riddle me that. That's what I thought. You don't got an answer for that.
I got no answer for that.
Exactly. That don't make any sense at all. Dang, this carbon looks even better.
That's what I'm saying. Like I almost didn't do that, but I just did.
Wow. Well, Lloyd said he wants me to show him the threads. Hold on, let me show you the threads. We'll do a whole montage, just the carbon fiber.
Now you guys see what I'm talking about when I was saying that is the nicest car I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, not even close. But, what a day. Normally, we would take the car out for rollers, but the owner had some friends over. He was entertaining some guests, so we didn't quite have time to do all that today. Definitely like, subscribe the video, guys. Come back to the page. We're going to be posting a lot more cars like that, along with normally what we're going to be doing, which is modifying my cars. So I'll also drop vlogs from when I'm traveling around and I'm doing basketball stuff, but it just made more sense for right now for me to start with the car videos. We've been loading up more of those. Corona's got everybody at home, not really playing too many big sports, group activities. AAU was shut down. You guys know how that went, so stay tuned. There's a lot of cool stuff coming. My boy Malloy, hit him up if you need anything from tint to ceramic coats. I don't care if you drive a Toyota Corolla or a Lamborghini Huracan from 2019. Hit my guy up. He's going to take care of you. I promise you're going to love the work he does. Like I said, like, subscribe, come back to the channel. This is just the beginning, guys.